In today's video, we are going to show you how to permanently delete your Axiom account. Whether you're no longer using the platform or simply want to remove your account, we've got you covered. But before we begin, keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent. Once it's deleted, your account and its associated data cannot be recovered. So if you have an active subscription, you'll also need to cancel it before you can delete your account. So let's begin by logging in using your credentials. Once you are on the trading dashboard, I want you to hover on the top right corner where you can see the gear icon, and I want you to click the account and security. Scroll down until you find the option that says delete my account. You will be asked to confirm your decision since this action is irreversible, so I need you to carefully review the warning, then confirm that you really want to permanently delete your account. According to Axiom's documentation, once your account is deleted, it cannot be restored. After confirming, your account will be removed from Axiom. So I need you to type the confirmation here. And please keep note that if ever you decide to use Axiom again, you'll need to create a brand new account because deleted accounts cannot be recovered. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you delete your Axiom account. It's a straightforward process, but remember to download or save anything important before deleting your account, since the deletion is permanent. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.